Hey guys, today I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I will be doing the unboxing and giving my impression on this amazing smartwatch. First thing first, the design of this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is simply stunning. It features a sleek and premium look with a circular AMOLED display that is very bright and easy to read even in direct sunlight. If you're like me, you work out once in a while, this device is going to track everything that you do. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you will love what the Galaxy Watch 5 has to offer. The Galaxy Watch 5 has a comprehensive set of health and fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and automatic workout detection. This is simply amazing, and it is going to log everything that you do. This device does also have a built-in GPS. You can accurately track your outdoor activities without the need of your phone beside the watch. There is two versions to this Galaxy Watch 5. You can have the one with GPS only and the other one has cellular connectivity. If you get the one with cellular connectivity, you're going to have access to the internet whenever you need it and always have your notification that comes directly inside your Samsung Watch. Now let's talk about the battery life. The Galaxy Watch 5 has an impressive all-day battery performance. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a 590 mAh battery, and the regular Galaxy Watch 5 comes in two sizes, and those have two different battery sizes also. 284 mAh for the smaller screen and 410 mAh for the larger screen on the Galaxy Watch 5. The version with cellular connectivity is going to drain the battery a little bit more compared to the one that has GPS only. This Galaxy Watch 5 truly delivers on all fronts, from its stylish design and intuitive interface to its robust fitness tracking capabilities and impressive battery life. It is a winner in my book, and you should try it if you like Samsung smartwatches. You can get the Galaxy Watch 5 with two types of band, the silicone one and the one with leather. The one that you see in the screen is the hybrid leather band. This band is a more sophisticated, good looking and classy. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro model is made out of titanium, and the Galaxy Watch 5 regular version is made out of aluminum. Inside the box you get a wireless charger for your Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, but there is no charger included inside the box.